entered the math multiverse. Let's crack this wide open.
Let me ask you a serious math question. What's simpler, 3/6 or 1/2? They might look different, but today I'll show you exactly why they are the same, and how to simplify any fraction you ever face step by step. Think of a candy bar split into 6 pieces. If you eat 3 of them, you just ate 3/6 of the bar. But what if your friend eats 1 out of 2 pieces? That is the same amount. Different numbers, but same value. And that's what we call simplifying a fraction, making it easier to read, compare, and calculate. Simplifying means take a fraction and reduce it to the smallest numbers possible without changing its value. 3/6 becomes 1/2, and we do that using a math trick called factoring. Let's do this. Factor 3/6. 3 is a prime number. 6 becomes 2 times 3. Now we see our fraction this way. 3/2 times 3. We cancel 3 from the top and the bottom, and we get 1 times 3. Same value, same amount, but smaller numbers. That's how we simplify. Here's the official procedure to simplify any fraction. Step 1. Factor the top and bottom into prime numbers. Step 2. Find and cancel common factors. 1 from the top, 1 from the bottom. Step 3. Multiply the remaining numbers, and that's your simplified fraction. Remember, if everything cancels on top or bottom, write 1 and not 0. Why? Because 1 is always a factor, even if it's invisible. Let's simplify this fraction. 5/15. 15 factors into 3 times 5. 5 is already prime. We cancel the 5s. What remains? 1 on top, 3 on bottom. And we have our final answer. 1/3. Clean, simplified, and nice-looking fraction. Let's review. To simplify a fraction, factor both numbers, cancel common factors, and multiply what's left. If you want to practice, check the link in the description. There's a free printable worksheet and an interactive quiz waiting for you with answers. Now let's try 30/36. First, we factor 30 into 2 times 3 times 5. Next, we factor 36 into 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, cancel 1 pair of the 2's and 1 pair of the 3's. What's left? 5 on the top, 2 times 3, which equals to 6 on the bottom. Final simplified answer, 5/6. Let me tell you why we go through this process. Because simplified fractions are faster and easier to work with. They will save you time in calculations, they will give you a cleaner answer, and absolutely will guarantee you the A+ that you are looking for. Picture this. You're in your precious break, chillin' with your fresh, cheesy, delicious sandwich. Your friend comes over, stares deep into your soul, and says, "I would like 27/54 of that sandwich." You pause, you look at him. "Do you mean 1/2? Man, just say half. You're not applying to NASA." And that's a good reason why we simplify fractions. Now you know how and why we simplify fractions. In the next lessons, we'll explore how to multiply and divide fractions. Until then, hit that subscribe button. It's the only way to give back and help me spread knowledge with your classmate. And remember, we don't just do math, we simplify it. This is Matthew Sum. See you next week.